Right now, somewhere in the world, someone your age is waking up before the sunrise, not because they are forced, but they are hungry for success. They are hungry for improvement. They are hungry for better future. While many people are still sleeping, scrolling, or wasting their time, this person is reading, learning, practicing, and preparing for a better opportunity that do not even exist. They're not more intelligent than you. They're not more talented than you, or they're not more lucky than you. They're simply decided to take their life seriously. They decided to take their future is too valuable to waste it. They decided to take comfort as danger. They decided that growth is necessary. And one day, when their life is amazing, people will call them lucky without knowing how hard they work in silence. So today, I'm gonna give you a practical tips that makes you really obsess and process not in goals. So if you came to Europe to watching something meaningful, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First one is, let's see about the problems, the dangerous letter. One of the biggest enemies of success is the word letter. People say, I will start letter, I will change my life, I will improve letter, and I will become a serious letter. But letter is a trap. Letter turns ambitious into regret. Letter turns motivation into excuse. You think you have a time, but time is running faster than you realize. Days became weeks, weeks became months, and months became years. One day, you will wake up and realize, and when you realize that nothing changed, because you never started. Life did not wait for persons who are not ready. Opportunities did not wait for lazy mind. Success did not wait for comfortable people, because there was a hidden outrage people. Many people thinking that being outraged is so safe, easy, and comfortable. In the beginning, it feels fine because there is no pressure, there is no responsibility, or no high expectation. You live like everyone else, but slowly something dangerous happens inside your head. You start feeling empty, you start feeling invisible, you start feeling frustrated. You see others growing, improving, or moving forward, while you remain in the same place. You're being to quite see yourself. You're being to doubt your potential, being to feel that list you were born from, but you're living for him. So don't be the same, or don't be outraged. Regret is worse than failure. Failure hurts, but regret destroys it. Failure stays lessons, build characteristics, and create wisdom. Regret, on the other hand, being painful without growth. When you regret, you feel stuck forever. Many old people do not regret trying and failing. They regret not trying at all. They regret starting small when they had a potential. They regret staying small when they had a potential. They regret choosing fear over courage. If you don't act today, tomorrow you will pay with regrets. But all people are the current people are the biggest culture of excuse. We live in a world, as you know, where excuse is popular and responsibility is right. People blame their parents, their teachers, their country, their economies, and past. They say, if my life was easier, I would succeed. And they said a lot of words like, for the money, I will work hard. They said, if I had a support, I would grow. But successful people, they think different. They ask it, what can I do with what I have? They focus on solution, not a problem. They take ownership of the life. The understanding that no one is coming to stop. Confidence is the enemy of comfort or excuse. Avoid the culture of excuse. And also, this generation have the biggest culture of comfort, or the comfort zone. Telling the truth, comfort is the enemies of the greatness. Comfort feels good today, but it destroys your tomorrows, your futures. Comfort makes you lazy without realizing it. Comfort makes your excuse sound interesting. Comfort makes every life feel normal. When you are comfortable, you stop pushing. When you stop pushing, you stop growing. But when you stop growing, actually you start dying slowly. Greatness is built in discomfort. Discipline is built in struggle. Confidence is built in challenge. If you always chose what is easy, your life became hard. If you chose what is hard, a lot of will became easier. Avoid a comfort zone. So the next one is the real meaningful personal, the real meaningful of growth. Growth is not always about money, fame, followers, or subscribes you have in the social media, or if you don't have any subscribes, it's not about respecting all that you gather from people. The real growth is about speaking without fear. The real growth is respecting yourself. The real growth is waking with a purpose. It is about becoming reliable, disciplined, and strong. Growth is not becoming someone you firmly is proud of, someone community you respect, and some you believe in it. This is not about it all. As I told you before, it's all about being yourself. Let me show you my story, or let me show you my personal journey. There was a time in my life when I felt lost, confused, and insecure. I doubted my English, I feared speaking, I avoided challenge, I wasted hours on my phone. I compared myself, I admitted my weaknesses, but I accepted my responsibility. I decided to practice daily improvement, and slowly I got the results. That decision changed a lot of forever. So started today, and really you said something powerful and important. So now I'm gonna give you the powerful tips that really makes you powerful or addicted to progress. So the first one is the power of system. A lot of most successful people in the world you admire if they have a system. Like if you mention most successful people in the world, Elon Musk, Gary Vee, Alex Hormozy, and most of them, if you listen, they have a strong system, because motivation is emotional and temporary, but systems are logical and permanent. If you depend on motivation, you will quit. If you depend on system, but if you depend on system, you will success, because system is not a build on overnight. A system means wake up early, planning your days, practicing your skill, reviewing your mistakes, and repeating the process daily. When you do daily, you don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Small action repeated daily create a massive results. Consistency break and everything and every time. So get addicted to improvement. You can train your brain progress. When you see yourself improve, your confidence grow. When your discipline increase, your results multiply. Celebrate small wins, track your habits, protect your routine, respect your efforts, fall in love with learning, fall in love with passion, with practice, fall in love with becoming better than yesterday. Failure is training, not a defeat. Every successful person failed many times. Every confident speaker was once nervous. Every leader was once weak. Failure is not a proof that you're endless. It is a proof that you're trying. Mistakes are teaching. Criticism is a feedback. Pain is a training. If you quit after failure, you lose it. If you learn from failure, you grow it. And communication is your weapon. Communication is one of the most powerful skills in the world. It creates opportunities, it builds leadership, it increases income, it improves relationship, or whatever what you have in this world. It's really built up, because communication is the best skill in this time. Practice. If you want to become really good communicator, practice daily. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak confidently. If it is possible, recall for yourself, fix your mistake, and never be ashamed for lying, because communication is really important skill. If you really build it, you can influence other by all of this communication skill. So visualizing your future, close your eyes and imagine yourself 5 years from now. See yourself confident, skilled, repetitive, respected, and successful. See yourself helping others. See yourself proud of joining. That version of you is possible. That version of you is real, but it depends on what you do today. Your future is depend on your daily habits. If you're really urgent from now, or if you're really faster to do, you really get it, because time is moving fast. Yours are the young, yours is empowering. energy is limited. Life has no replay button. Every wasted time, every wasted time, every wasted day, it's a lot of opportunity. Every lazy choice is a future problem. Do not wait for perfect condition. Sorry free, sorry confused, sorry imperfect. Just no. There is no perfect time in this world, or there is no perfect time in your life. The perfect time is the time you decide to take action. That is the perfect time.